for June. Please wait. I don't like his attitude. He's so very, I don't know. I like your friends. Friends are our friends, or my followers are my friends. Then why he said to me that I am flirting to the guys? Well, no, this is just my natural outfit in my life. He don't want me to wear like this. So if you love me, he support me on doing this time, because this is, he doesn't help me for, no, because my YouTube is a very very big help for me and my son. That he control me what I'm doing here, say hi to the guys, and give me numbers, and also my Facebook and also my Instagram. Because of like he said that I'm only turning on my YouTube and on my, you know, after money. What money? I receive money in my blood, my salary. My, he said I'm asking people to give. No, if you want to give me volunteer, I will also accept it if it's really given for your heart to live with you. Look, Pretalin, you know that's real life in my life. I am home officer in Bangladesh. Oh my god, you're such a great man. You're dressed like, you are asking to subscribe and like, yes. Because some also are giving me, some are give super thanks and dollars to send here for my life. Why should give also? He doesn't. If you want to give her, why you make jealous of those people who give me, like Russell? Russell is giving me here $1. And you to Joey, some other like people never be. Yeah, I work here. I work hard for talking to people here in my life. And I don't know what happened to him. So they're grateful for what they give me. Yes. And then I really thank them when they give me. I say thank you for giving me things he made no. So Joey, this is all for tonight, and all to my viewers. Thank you for sharing your time to me, and I hope to see you tomorrow, and if I'm not busy, because this week I'm going to live every night because Makmak is no class for 1 week, so I'm busy with this YouTube and Bigo. I have also my Bigo and Poco Live. Yeah, thank you, thank you, Joey. You're very, very, very good friend to me, and very, very supportive to me also. I invite you, please come in house Bangladesh. No, I'm very, very afraid for going other countries, especially I don't know you well in person. And you're I finish this 20 minutes live, okay? Talk, talk, talk. This is and green donut. Where's my green donut? My green donut. Yeah, you like my green donut? My favorite. Hello, Hamada, shall we? How are you? Love it. Home is open dance, no dance for now because so that maybe when I will be when I monetize back, I'll be dancing for my dance, happy dance. So please, 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 please pray for my hello lumber lumber. Pray for my reapplication. I'm so sleepy. I'm waiting. My guitar. I will, if I was sing with maybe here I'll be, it's called as copyright. So when I sing, I use the instrument. I want to I want to learn also guitar, but the guitar don't like me. Really good. Here, but 8 years with body.
So, Bobby,